How to reset network settings on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset network settings on Android. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your device settings, and once you reach to the settings page, here you need to scroll down and find General Management option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and inside it you will be able to see this reset option. Scroll down and tap on reset. Under it you will be able to see reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset accessibility settings. From here you can select mobile network settings, and here once you reach to this page, at the very bottom you will see reset settings option. You will need to tap on this option or the button, and then here you will be asked to enter your current PIN. Enter your current PIN, and after that here it says if you are really sure to reset your mobile network settings or not, because once you do that, this can't be undone. Also, you might not be able to connect your mobile network once you reset it. If you agree with that, then go ahead and tap on reset button at the bottom. After that, you will see your network settings has been successfully reset. Now it is set to default settings. So by following these steps, you should be able to reset network settings on Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.